Non-coding DNA. There are different types of the non-coding DNA. The main types of the non-coding DNA are non-coding functional RNA, cis and trans regulatory elements, introns, pseudogenes, repeat sequences, transposons, and viral elements, and the sequences of the telomeres. So these are all called as non-coding DNA. What is non-coding functional RNA? The RNA molecules which are not translated into the protein, they are called as non-functional RNA molecules. Examples are ribosomal RNA, transfer RNA, and microRNA. So these are the examples of non-coding functional RNAs. The second type of the non-coding DNA, they are called as cis and trans regulatory elements. Those sequences that control the transcription of the nearby gene, those sequences are called as cis and trans regulatory elements. They are usually located towards the 5' or the 3' or even within the introns. So they are called as cis and trans regulatory elements. The third type of the non-coding DNA, they are called as introns. They are non-coding sections of the genes. They are transcribed in the precursor mRNA, but ultimately removed by the RNA splicing. Most of the introns appear to be mobile genetic elements. Another type of the non-coding DNA, they are called as pseudogenes. They are related to known genes, but they have lost their protein coding ability or otherwise no longer expressed in the cells. So those genes, they are called as pseudogenes. They arise from retrotransposition or genomic duplications of the functional genes. Another type of the non-coding DNA, they are called as repeat sequences, transposons, and viral elements. Transposons and retrotransposons are mobile genetic elements. The examples of the retrotransposons are lines and signs sequences of the mammalian genomes. Last type of the non-coding DNA, they are the sequences which are present at the telomeres of the chromosomes. Telomeres are regions of repetitive DNA located at the end of a chromosome. They provide protection from chromosomal degradation during the DNA replication. So those sequences, they are also non-coding in nature. What are the functions of non-coding DNA? Although there are different types of the non-coding DNA, but they have some functions. Their functions can be that these sequences, they are essential for chromosome structure, for the genome protection. They act as enhancers, silencers, promoters, and insulators of the genes. They also act as genetic switches to turn on or to turn off the gene expressions, and they regulate the gene expression.